Hello, intrepid explorers. Welcome to the captivating world of Iran walking tour, where every step leads to a new adventure and every corner reveals a hidden gem. Today, we set foot in the heart of Iran, a country steeped in poetry, culture, and history. Join us as we meander through the enchanting streets and bask in the beauty of this ancient land. Prepare to be spellbound by the rich tapestry of sights and sounds that await you. So grab your walking shoes, and let's embark on a journey like no other. Remember to hit that like button, share with your fellow wanderers, and subscribe for more mesmerizing escapades. Let's dive in and uncover the wonders of Iran together. Dear friends, today we have brought you to an attractive and old and at the same time busy place in the city of Mashhad. Porcina neighborhood of Mashhad, which is located on the outskirts of Mashhad. This neighborhood consists of a long and winding street and old houses. There is no law for the boundaries of the street here, and years ago when people started building here, no one determined the boundaries of the street and everyone started building houses according to their own taste. Dark and narrow alleys, streets, there are sometimes big and sometimes small in it, which has created an interesting and different neighborhood with all the inconsistency. We hope you enjoy visiting this neighborhood.